Yeah,
Absolutely.
so I've been really reflecting to myself this past weekend at how grateful I felt to be here finally to celebrate the coming together and rebirth of our home since we were a little bit uprooted from our home gym. And so Team Bahay is here to represent finding our new home within ourselves as an athlete and as a community. And yeah, just feeling really excited. There's a lot of people here supporting us in our hometown, and we're just gonna have some fun today.
Oops, baby, I didn't mean to fall in love.